Undeniably, Bollywood's hottest mom, Raveena Tandon, and I think she's now getting used to the term "yummy mummy." Are you?
Yeah, this new word is quite interesting. Yummy mummy.
You know how troublesome were you as a kid?
I wasn't. My brother was. कभी कोई ऐसी family नहीं है जहाँ माँ और बेटी में झगड़ा नहीं हो या disagreements ना हो.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन ये सब बदल जाता है. You know, जब मेरी बेटी पैदा हुई. And I was looking at her face like a little angel, you know, from God.
Right.
And suddenly, मेरा flash forward हुआ. 16 years from now, she'll be slamming doors on my face. She'll be back answering me and she'll say, "Mom, you know, you're not cool. You don't know what you're saying." And I'll be telling her, when you have your baby, you'll come to know. And at 1 o'clock in the night,
Right.
I thought about my mother and what all she's gone through because of me and what all I did to her.
Right.
And at 1 o'clock in the night, I called her. And I told her, Mama, I'm sorry.
But was your mother strict? क्योंकि rebellious तो हम सब होते ही हैं.
Yeah.
मगर आंटी कितनी strict थी आपके साथ?
No, she wasn't. She was. I think she is one of the most amazing. I mean, everyone says that about their mother, but my mother was not Hitler. But there was a point where in my teens that I could bully her. You know, I used to bully her somehow.
You know, we usually see कि when the actresses are very young, I mean, in that time, we usually have the mothers also on the sets, literally sitting and, you know, watching the shot and encouraging the daughters. आजकल बहुत कमी नहीं?
No, my mom never did that.
Baby को गर्म पानी चाहिए, baby को दूध चाहिए.
Juice चाहिए, baby के लिए छाता रखो. No, thank God. No, I did not have that kind of a mom, thankfully.
So, you know, mom, everybody wants that their mama is their best friend and कि माँ एक दोस्त बन जाए, you can share everything. So we don't require anybody else to tell your deepest of secrets. And as a teenager, you have so many. You have a crush. You know, you are getting those letters. But did your mom ever got like a letter or something, or I don't know, like a message? That
See, I myself actually started dating when I was 21.
Right.
And that's always been my relationship with my parents. That I've told them what I'm doing.
Right.
That this is the guy I like and this is where he's from or what. They've approved and there are times where they've disapproved.
Right. You were in a relationship at one point with some particular actor, and that was like the talk of the town at that time. From every magazine, every paper had only one article about you and that actor. At that time, how did your parents react to it? I mean, I'm sure they're like, "क्या लिख रहे हैं यार? ये सब क्या हो रहा है?"
See, they knew. They
your
knew
mom especially.
Well, my parents and my mom knew the truth. So, when the family knows the truth, they don't really pay attention to things like that. In fact, they keep these things away from you because whatever it is, ultimately we're all human. And when there is some untruth written, everyone gets hurt.
Your mom has been there when you've gone through relationships, and she's also been there when you've come out of it and gone into another one. How was your mother? What did she tell you, tab? How to get over a breakup? What did you get to know?
Well, she kind of knew what I was going through. But I think एक point ऐसा था for me personally कि I knew I'd put my parents through enough. And there was a point where I did say that, you know, I'm sorry and, you know, I mean, this is it. Whatever's happened. And they knew.
Right.
So I think it's not, they never put that pressure, कि I told you so और मैंने तो कहा था, never. It was left on a clean slate. कि चलो, let's move ahead. आगे देखते हैं. You know?
But who has been your example from Bollywood? You think like a perfect mother. I'm sure everybody has, you know, you look and you say, yeah, she's one of those examples when it comes to mothers that she's really done it. You can remember anybody?
I think Madhuri, Juhi.
Now, I'm going to play a little game with you.
Right.
You are not Raveena, you're Raveena's mother. And you will react when you see the pictures according to how your mom would have reacted.
Okay.
Okay. You remember you're not you're Raveena's mom. Okay.
Yeah.
Auntie, बताइए.
How sweet. I think she's 5 years old.
Okay, fair enough. This one is a smaller picture. You were younger, yeah.
Cover up, my mother would have said.
Okay. Remember, you're not Raveena, you're Raveena's mom.
Yeah. I think this is where she looks really happy. And this is what was meant to be. And this was her destiny. This was the path that she had to end after all that she saw in her life.
I think she's been a sport. Thank you so much. But before you go away, we leave you and go away. In fact, you need to tell us this Mother's Day special. It's a Mother's Day special. So something that for all those mothers, that message.
First of all, I'll tell you why it's so special for me every year. Because actually Mother's Day falls on my mother's birthday. That is 13th May. So for us, it's like a double celebration and it's even more special.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure as always, Raveena.
Thank you.
And happy Mother's Day to you.
And you too.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.